Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and she's my wife Khushbu Singh. So guys, today I'm going to tell you about chain speaking program which is really very useful for fluency in English. So I will tell a story where I end, she will start her story from the same where I end, and where she ends I have to start the story from there. It means it's a kind of chain speaking. So by this way you can get great fluency guys, I'm telling you. You can practice at your home. So without any further ado, let's get started everyone. Okay, so it could be any fake story. Okay, so yesterday I got up around 6 o'clock in the morning. After that I got fresh, and then I went to the nearby park to take exercise. And while I was taking exercise, I just saw that there was a wallet lying on the ground. Then
First, I saw here and there was no one. Then I took that wallet and started checking so that I can get any contact number, any ID proof, so that I can return that wallet to that person. While I was checking, I saw a man was coming and he was seemed very disturbed. He was looking here and there. He was trying to find something. Then I thought he is the person who lost the wallet. Then
okay, so when I saw that person looking hither and thither, and I figured out that yeah, he's the person who has lost the wallet. So I decided to go towards him. So I took that wallet in my hand and walked up to him and asked him that, "Excuse me, sir, are you looking for something?" He said that yeah, I've lost my wallet. Then I showed him that wallet, and seeing the wallet, he said yeah, this is my wallet. So I handed over the wallet to him and I asked him, please check if something is missing or not. He checked, everything was at place and all the cash and cards were absolutely okay. And after checking, he really appreciated me. He said that you are really very honest person. If there were any other person at your place, he would have taken my wallet. He would have never come to me and returned something like this. I said, sir, still there are some honest people in this world, so it happens, sir. Then,
Then again, I started running. After a while, I found a boy who was chasing me
mm,
for a long time. So first, I tried to ignore him. I changed my position, but again, the boy came that place too. Then I ignored him and started doing some other exercises, yoga. But he was staring for me for a long time. Then
when I observed that the person was staring at me, I thought that it's over for today. I must go back to my home. So I started going towards my home. So when I was going, towards the exit of that park, I observed that the person was just coming after me. I came out of the park. That person also came out of the park. When I was moving towards my car, I saw that the person was coming towards my car. And when I entered my car, then I saw that he also entered his car. And I started driving towards my house. When I was on the way, I saw that he was chasing me. I thought what to do. Then I turned my car towards the police station. Then, yeah, it's a fake story. You can create anything, guys.
I stopped my car near the police station. Then that man just went away. He didn't stop that car there. I stayed there for a while so that I can ensure he's coming back or he's chasing me again or not. Then he didn't come back. Then I came back to my house.
Then, when I came back to my house, first of all, I had some breakfast, and after having breakfast, I started reading the newspaper. Suddenly, my phone started ringing. I picked up the call, and it was my friend's call. My friend said that, "Hey, let's go somewhere." I asked him, where are you talking to? I mean, where do you want to go with me? He said, I will not let you know about that. You have to come to my house. I said, okay, I'm coming to your house. So when I went to my house, went to my friend's house, then.
I parked my car near my friend's house. I knocked the door. He opened the door, and I went inside, sat down on the couch. He offered me a glass of water and went inside the kitchen to make tea. I was just drinking the water. Suddenly, I saw the same man was coming down from the stair. I just got shocked and surprised too. I was little scared that what happened, why he is here. Then
Seeing him, I got really very surprised. I just walked up to him and asked, "Sir, who are you? Yesterday I was in the park and you started chasing me, and now today you are here at my friend's home. Could you please tell me who are you?" Suddenly my friend came along with the tree and he said, "What happened?" I said that this is the guy whom I saw yesterday in the park and he was chasing me. I was just going to the police station and from there he went away. And what is he doing at your home? Then my friend started laughing. He said, "Yeah, he is my uncle. He's come from London. And yesterday he went to park because he loves going to park. So you may have just got kind of misunderstanding." Then I said sorry to uncle, and uncle said that I don't know what you are talking about. I was not chasing you. I said, "I'm sorry, sir. I thought that you are staring at me and you are chasing me." Then anyhow, we started having tea and we enjoyed a lot. And after that, I came back to my home. So guys, it was just a small demo. Okay, we spoke anything, we tried to take the story anywhere because it's just a fake story. So you can also do the same practice, guys. And if you have a partner, it's okay. If you don't have a partner, then you will have to speak two times. Means you will have to make double role acting and all. So this is a very nice program. Do this and be fluent in English, guys. Thank you very much. See you in another episode. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.